Right, as the more Kabi, you have a show newspaper review. I am a Penkrat Apora to know about Godo. Yes, sure, the Daily Dispatcher. Baumia is the only person who can protect the Free Senior High School. MPP, Honorable Kennedy Akompro Japan, Northern Minsemi Etumna Atuga. Come and join Mahama's team, Mahama's aid to Alan K. And also other than Minsemi Etumna Atuga. Police will deal with ruthless with troublemakers during election. IGP, not the Minsemi Etumna Atuga, and Kaseye. Yako Oya Hinehima, the national voice. Sami Jeffis election ranks claims baseless. Nana B fire back, and then sort of the Minsemi Etumna Atuga, and Kaseye. The National Security Minister visit Guinea-Bissau. Kids on 3 days. Na police assured media of safety during 2020 election. The message is IGP. University lectures for Free Senior High School begins nationwide tour. The university lectures so go to Anamara Akosha Free Senior High School. The Chronicle. Election 2024. Police promise to protect journalists. And as a Bobo Simon Papa, Bambofono, Rochester, Columbiado, some trophy Bobo and Angasa. In Tim Fajo, renowned the best teacher with car, reward the best teacher with car in Asen South. The minister is able to grant Free Senior High School, 18K Ghana spent on each student annually. So the minister made able to grant, I can say, a cotton cartana, autumnal oracle. Soldiers on land guard duties. Into Nosobo Mazanana. Daily guide, NDC tough tag MPP Zongwa team. Into Yankona Kotokratano. You are safe with us. The minister is Ghana Police Service assures media that we are safe with us. Until you so a fee, Yakwa Aqua to obey Yamma Nefi into the police football bonds some truffle, Mohoban Ankasa. Quay Junior roots for Baumia until Yamma Dekoto Kratano. The statement recovery of economy on course. Recovery of economy on course. Into a contractor na etuna akenka NDC plotting to disrespect elections with violence. Into no so the minister in some of the P na Abegodo. MPP NDC accuse each other of plotting mayhem. Into Yamamazina Yakoto Oyakratano. Nefi yentumna yenhwe za autumna arba do oya anepe nti akotaka atana ibon samepi waya ka atana do nefi yentumna akowanyim akotia SHTS win inter schools carpentry competition nti no so ababo de gua nti all student ha wanyu baji ankasa ye Inte Yankoto Aya Kratano na Intumina Yanshare. Daily Post. Yisi has appointed known MPP member as their officials. Professor Nana Jane condemns government for knowing giving aspired rise to secondary school. Prof. Ossi, abani impade amonwasai na so otuna wachiche ama oye senior high school for from Ghana face lead schedule ahead of IPP shutdown threat. Nti Yanko Godo. Daily Graphic, Economy and Recovering Costs. President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. Adidi. Now that I mean, Sami Etumna Atugba. There is economy no Oguda Autumna or Janina Ankasa. Ntiyama Mazana Yanko Toka Tanibi. Na Yentumna Yankenkan. Na Babwa, me Yetumna Yakon Akohenim Ankasa ye. Nti Inya Bra na Koto Tanibi. The Vanguard, President Commission Educational Project today. President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. Ana na so de mesemi etumna aba abotugba. Yakota krata na ibohu za otumna orokodo. Nti yama obazen koto krata no. The Daily Satellite, police assures public you are safe. IGP no de mesemi etumna atugba. Media in safe hands. IGP na so otumna adesemi atuma atugba. President Akufo-Addo in the great new Bank of Ghana headquarters. Omanpeyin Nana Addo Akufo-Addo adidi na new headquarters for Bank of Ghana watumna wa pahotam stronko kra. The press reporter, President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo in the great flower pot interchange. 14 others in progress. Inti no so da mensemi ababa tugba. Kofi Tutu Asantini to convert Prempeh One's house into historic museum. Nti Asantini na other mensemi so etumna atugba ankasa ye. Tama Port raid 53 peso 74 ammunitions and Ndama Pio to market account into a bit probably akohe then his our can aye za otumna ababedegba. Daily Times, Herbal practitioner calls for peace ahead of election 2024 December 7th pool. Nti yama maje nkoto ayakata no na ntumi yakeka. Times board chair under fire. The Breaker and then Daybreaker, no other than semi to police assured media safety into Yanko Koto or National Democrat. Doomsday loomed as more IPPS planned a shutdown into Yamamartin Yanko Kratano. The Finder, Bank Square, Vision of Progress. President Akufo-Addo, no other than Semi Etumna Atugba. Ghana Palaver. Mahama extend lead to 51.9 according to the latest global info analyst. Nti yanko nkota krata no nefi yentumna yenhwe za otumna wa begodo. Pinya roke ka wonti ama ma jen nkota krata no nentumna yenkenka. Yento yewo mbra yeba za awo ko biara ibotumna za.
Lift up your heads, oh you gates, swing open wide, you ancient doors, let the King of Kings take his rightful place, make room, make way for the King of Grace. Come and inhabit the praises of your kingdom. The King of Kings, Lord of Lords. Sing. Lift up your hands, open up your hearts. His victory over sin, and death is ours. Let the King of Kings take his rightful place. Make room, make way for our King of grace. Who is this King of glory, Lord of power? His name is Jesus, our risen King. Who is this King so mighty, Lord of strength? His name is Jesus, our risen King. Lift up your hands, open up your heart. His victory over sin, and death is ours. Let the King of Kings take his rightful place. Make room, make way for our King of grace. Here we go. Who is this King of glory, Lord of power? His name is Jesus, our risen King. Who is this King so mighty, Lord of strength? His name is Jesus, our risen King. Who is the King of glory? Who is this King of glory, Lord of power? His name is Jesus, our risen King. Who is this King so mighty, Lord of strength? His name is Jesus, our risen King. We welcome you, King of Kings and Lord of Lords. He's the King of glory. Let's sing it. Lord of power. He's the King of glory. He's the Lord of power. He's the King of glory. Lord of power. He's the King of glory. Yes, he is. Lord of power. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. King of kings. Lord of lords. If we call to him, he will answer us. If we run to him, he will run to us. If we lift our hands, he will lift us up. Come now, praise his name, all you saints of God. Oh, sing for joy to God, our strength. Oh, sing for joy to God, our strength, our strength. Draw near to him, he is here with us. Give him your love, he's in love with us. He will heal our hearts, he will cleanse our hands. If we rend our hearts, he will heal our land. Yes, he will. Oh, sing for joy to God, our strength. Oh, sing for joy to God, our strength, our call to him, he will answer us. If we run to him, he will run to us. If we lift our hands, he will lift us up. Come now, praise his name, all you saints of God.
Yeah, no. Yes, advise your family for peace. Since it's election year, Moframan will advise parents for peace. Because if there is war, the children are abused sexually, physically, all forms of abuse. The children are future leaders and they are the most vulnerable. Child marriage, now women share awful. There, this election, one more year very peaceful. Now Moframan is 1 year one dachi. Awful. Bebree so they are not pulling up at all. We go into the community to also talk to their parents as well.
So as your sector, Abazina is celebrated there and from over to Mobile or Yahanadachi. They celebrate about some from the community there.
We are celebrating the children. Not by celebrating them, how best can we do that? To protect the children, to protect their rights. We are also celebrating today that the children have voices, so we need to listen to our children. Let's show them love. Yepa one cho Moframa yeyen dachi. Elections or yepa one cho. One for Moframa and one fan share one our dream there. Say BBC Moframa na one who bet you 1 year. Moframa na they will feel very scared. They won't feel safe within the community. Into yepa one cho, let peace prevail.
Right, yes, I am Mrs. Yowan Abdullah. And the award Children's Day. It's the inside company for a fear was in the feeling what to show a year in common. World Children's Day is celebrated annually on November 20th. It was established by the United Nations in 1954 to promote children's welfare, rights, and well-being. Yesterday, since what is the oil damage man? Now they agree to me, another for and you to me. I am regional acting director of FIA. I am Madam Ivy, Reverend Samuel, no so or her who or your children department to Tumba. Reverend and Nassau is in forward into now, Reverend Patrapome.
Oh, my God, was that it?
Yeah, no, Reverend Samuel,
Reverend Samuel Kwame Entries.
Hey.
Reverend Samuel Kwame Entries.
Also in director office,
I'm a Child Protection Regional Chairman.
Oh, okay.
Child Protection Committee Regional Chairman.
Alright, I see. That's good.
The man near Juma directly, but you Child Protection Committee, including all the departments or regional office. The Kukunina, our departments are holding now. Yeah, from our one bumble, from our one easy. The more committee, I'm a chairman.
Right. Madam Ivy, girl,
Amati.
Ivy, Beauty, Amati. Yo, right. That's it. Madam, if you are a fee, theme or seed mezidu.
The theme is that listen to the future. Yente yemo from.
And you have some crowd or seed.
Yes, please. Now say yente yemo from. Now how best do we do that? What's more from? They should advise their family on peace.
Into more from yente when you tell my
Into that day we went to the Good Samaritan Preparatory School. If you permit me, I'm going to message from Anankasa. Wotum Walker Train. Then we should tell the general public. What's it there? The first one is listen to the future as we shout. We want peace now and after the election.
say what's the peace now and after election? After the election, do we have peace at home? Election, election, it's just a one-day thing. Do we have peace at home? Awofon yetu mama framan will feel safe. Yamu no door. Do they trust? And then on your awofo caregivers, our eshe abufrabado. Where lies the peace? Say you go school, sir. Your peace was schools more. So it goes beyond the election period. Them na moframan wopede awofo na obiara what I say. Then the next message is that children's smiles are counting on you. Of course, moframa are supposed to explore. They learn best by exploring, by doing all that. If they are not happy, if they are scared, how would they develop into becoming the adults that we want? You say they are our future. Are we shaping them to become the better people that we want them to become? That is the second message. It's 5 messages actually.
Yeah, madam, some messages are sorry.
Okay. So the first message I'm from the public in your day. Listen to the future. As we shout, we want peace now and after the election. After the election, awofo, general public, schools, baby and pennyphobia, is there peace? Moframan, do they feel secured? Moframan, do they feel safe? Safety it goes beyond the physical safety. We have the other, we have the emotional safety. How are they being treated at home? I work with school, and even in schools, in other places, in the churches. How do we treat these children? They want to feel safe. They want the peace everywhere, not just on the election day. And then number 2, I say, children's smiles are counting on you. They are counting on Ami, they are counting on our cameraman, counting on our, and then everybody. Moframan, their smiles are counting on us. And then the third one, I say, make our future bright, vote for peace. Of course, if there is no peace, there is no future. Moframa Day. That war, but the most vulnerable is the children. They will go through forms of abuses, physically, sexually, emotionally, all the least forms of abuse. Even after, if there is conflict or there is war, only the can cry. Into Moframan was straight. There, let there be peace because their smiles are counting on you. And then the third one, make our future bright. That is what I just read. Then the first one, also there, please vote for peace so we can feel safe. Into awufu yeshrewan, impenyifu yeshrewan. Mowabelebia woma moframan one dachi moframan. Moframan should be the paramount in everything that we do. Our plans, Bibia, Moframan, because one no and dachi. What's Moframan one tina now opinion at na ejina wa abufraba no go siam because Moframa was yen. Inti se epede wo abufraba onyeje ya wara so penyin no dey ye na abufraba no hwe no siam. And then the last message, it was a lot, but I picked this 5. The last message is that we want to grow in a peaceful country. As I said, peace, it starts from the home. It goes beyond just election. It starts from the home. Do we show them peace? Do we show them love? Yet 1 billion, anyone in common. How do we show these children peace? These are some of the messages I'm from and work with us.
Right, but I can acting return director say, young Reverend, what may say we have objectives already to promote child rights and protection. Nti that I can come from Kasipi, Automazababe, nti you want to the protection and the from you protect him, and then more from one in the eyes of your eye.
Yo, Costa for Machawan. In there, rather, you know, I am here. Now, let the Costa team is asking for Swasi or a queen of Wazana here. Now, there's my Yakama seminar on them. Yakama seminar, the brass, that Yakocha Yadrin or Amatu. The Ayadrin chill. I've been chill be a Yakocha Yadrin. In here, for that's if a baby for baby booby. Actually, I was much imagine. Udruwa, I'm a Coco, Muslim to green, will be up and on China. Now, yeah, Cotton, but you were there, more from the more young constitution of Mamma from up and on Tramani. Until when you phone walk Trama, now, ye are more show my hero, paying for show my hero. Now, all show my hero, wash your man with them, I am from one of the Archie. Obokuye no man so dachi esi mani wase omana ontum hwe ne moframa yi omana enesesi a ahwe dem wo hwe won moframa wona to ze no bibia ono no che omana dachi nti se omana bi ntum hwe moframa ni yi yentum mbo ye moframa ho ban ye hwe ye moframa wono du yi a na che de dachi omana kasa ya dachi oyi nti ye kwatwa be aba ya tuli na no what we are doing here there ye kire omano daache so omano daache da no from wumbi nti mo from na wan to aba ye mpanyifo a ye kwato aba no ya abato o nsusu ando wo ye mo from aba wo no so daache so asema ye kan ye there ye hwe there mpanyifo a ye kwato aba no ye bebo ye mo from aba no ba no abato ye ze mo from aba ba hye ya adwene me there aba ye kwato mo from aba ka ho mo from aba bambo mo from aba daache nti ye kwato aba so you from a cajon or man that chisa. No, yeah, shed there, Basa Bessi. Yeah, shed there, or Komaba. Because Oma, so Koba says, yeah, I'm a man, no to my swag mattress, lay Massa, my fahabim. Much my swag gallon, Miss Afahabim. Now, Bofrano, obey them. The use of the Mosso mattress, Mosso is bananas, and Motu Mafa, Mabofra, over 2 years as she made Jacoma. May you soon. Nti se man dwen mo frama no ho na mo kofa basabasa bia ba mo frama no na wo bako ho mo kese hwe se ye kan bambo a ye hwe de bambo no susu no okọ mo frama no adisua ho sisi abasabasa ba mo frama bo ntu go school nti wona adisua so bobo nyankopon mpembu basabasa bia ba ye za fa habendu ye na mahabani mu abofro de bi ni mo tichima ya reba bia bo hospital I find as an abako. Inti mo from no yakade or you vulnerable. What are you chinu there? My ye piano, ye mo from an inti, ye mo from an inti, ye masuji. And that so mo from an there. One parent or to ye born no arch woman. Man, also so. How about to arch papa?
Ye boy, I'm more from home, and the man of software to America. So the person I've been over there. Yeah, yes, I'm ready. Sorry, I'm ready. My inquest. Why is say, yeah, call we are the final Kuaproa of Great Britain, within some Baba to go. Young call UNICEF. UNICEF actually sent me there. 1 in 5 children worldwide live in extreme poverty. Yeah, call UNESCO. 258 million children are out of school. Yeah, call WHO, that's World Health Organization. Also, 2 million children die before the 5th birthday each year. The mean now I a quaho to mother Babutuba. So for young shed and breaking bit to Mobama from a woman offered the mean it would be more from a walk minimum, more from an Butum when young what they be walking to an argument. I am chairman for protection.
You may ask your man. Nti yehwe Ghana yana mambrano obo frama won ba sonko de abofra oye omana sadi de yehwe abc de bi ne aboframa no ne health yehwe aboframa no ne education yehwe aboframa no ne right ne for music to much dem pedem dem nti de mo amambrana no wo kire say amoframan or omanua or man access all day one right to education, right to health, right to all those things. Until them I can't world health or there moframa why them as a crowd, what I say there, or man, what is our worry, wobble from our band. Now, he also saw a waffle, he also as stakeholders, who be also chapel, mosque, who be our not for the what I share, madam, those rights are all home from man, who be also Sakanzi. Now, Moframan also, I heard a yabo on mobile, according to Ghana, yet constitution, or Moframan or the moon rights.
My father, writer, you call the director for the cookie saying there's another objective to say improve child health and education, living standard. How can we improve the child health as well as education, director?
What I say, inti abofraba de bambon onye nipa pro de dwuma. Oye yina ya sezi. Inti the Regional Child Protection Committee, we are a 30-member committee. Okay. There were all the regional and traditional heads. One yina wodo. Inti there was soft wodo, there were imam wodo, there were chiefs wodo, there were all the governmental and some of the non-governmental agencies once wodo. Inti yina debia yeti boom yeshe how best we can protect children within Central Region. Inti may and the World Children's Day. But in fact, one day, celebrate Abofraba. How best do we celebrate Abofraba? By protecting Abofraba, non singing, non paying papa. Into every single time, yet boom, ye expertise boom, ye this share, Moframa won't bamboo, no one camp or Central Region. We have Ghana Education Service War. We have Ghana Health Service Room. Intimate and the churches, mosque, the palace. With every corner, we want Obiara onte Abofraba wombambo na wonkanko. Na say ye can poverty as you said earlier. Yes, poverty wo ho. Na ye be de ya ye na ya so anu kakra. Say awo awofu enimde wo sika nheda nko enima. Or there you planning a plan with your childbirth. Now on broad, now a beer in tomb and share and more framan. Now a bush so especially Miss Yafu, a yibiara or Abba yitam a biara over can be a wobby. What stop you there? Yitam crone one, a bottom that way yibiara, a butcher. Na so ba ne dey o dey wo hwe e ba no mo ko school ana wo to book here na bibi mana na wa ya asem nti yetum ye cut yensem bi nkakra obobua ma yetum e save bibi kakra ye dey push mo framan sisi asa bo fraba yera na ya potopoto nze bibi ye zaman ani ne bia na meti onye doctor ana we doctor ye nye but e do fie na ya mu doctors ana health or herbalist, yeah, poto, they may be a mamma from some fraba yera or net right. Do I dare you know, never share treatments, man. The treatments no other man. Our parents or there share there, our fraba no wafa those treatments. Again, you know, you can the right, or there you there, you better hammer on the responsibilities of Moframan so. The right there, Obeko school. Our as parents, or there, any day, my Frabam school, demo, how many of us? Now you be at school, teachers, you put there. Make Abu Frabam wabo school, no po already adana. Abatina or home. Also, our parents able to have poor Abu Frabam. What a PTA is your friend PM. How many of us miss your free take a crap? Na many phone. Woman, you know, PTA. Na Moframan or your says, on your sika kesibi or if baby aba, no baba boyan, Yankasa Yanti, yes, so you go to Yanye, yes, I boy one pumzi, yes, I boy one this year. We
cannot create awareness for only one day, but even there, several organizations are over in the menu. Someone actually do that. The awareness is huge. Why don't we start from somewhere before and final society?
Thank you very much. Honor McCain, there with the Regional Child Protection, we have media stations, we have schools, we have the churches. Every place that there is a platform, the church, Reverend Otihe, Obama and the platform Yebeko. So we do awareness every single time. We have every first Friday, every last Friday, and then within. So we don't celebrate or protect the child within a day. It can never work. So we do it periodically. And then we go to all groups, all baby markets or baby just to meet everybody at every level.
Okay, come back to Mazabaka there, them are working. share department how do we in na obiara wo break to bra no bra o de uti dwuma a o ze bomb from hoba nti ye wo nkremofo time a wo call makaranta na aze now since they came on board or bra wo share that oko the Islamic schools na oko kan ndama offer from one up on zino one bambo ne dem chapel ahoro so ye na doksu where all the department nti obia ye neza na ya abom on koto de ye beti children's day na chede department bia wa iti djube bia offer from one bambo on so eat.
Right, off from let's go back for 3 years back on our themes in terms of yes, select a team is Afro to oil Nijuma. In 2020, we selected a team invest in the children, invest in our future. 2021, we pick another team, a better future for every child. 2022, we pick another team, inclusion for every child. Madam, team no did it bring a change or the CCB to my another hand that above now and I pick the one on the future million. Because if you are investing, what are you investing? 3 years back, my family to me sure you come on young name. Another year, you got a better future. No so for inclusive, no so father. Are we just picking the team just like that and then there's something move on to make sure the team is working for us?
Yes, we don't just pick, or they don't just pick the teams like that. In the army meetings there, at least within the central region, in Zamariko Kaka, when you take enrollment in schools, at least more from one enrollment and one increase across compared to far back as 3 years. You could see that with the team, we are also embarking, all the agencies and departments are also working towards the themes. We would even in the inclusive, we are not leaving any child behind. Any Abufraba, we take the children with disability, we take all forms of children and now we are doing the inclusive system, so it's also ongoing.
United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. When I said the right to life, our former academic rights, also the right to life, survive, and development. The man said that from how can she or he get it?
The right to life, like we are talking about elections. At least no opinion phone. Would they say, I need mistakes, or Mama Abufraba will lose that right to life. And then also when you go to it's suicide girlfriend on Fantin. Yes. Somebody was telling me that is why should that happen? Because there's no security at home, there's no love at home. Inti awufo titu ya awufo, but yena yewo nyina no ye asete there bibi to chimape or there to mo authorities amande say be a police pona empede bopa you can come to the Department of Children ebotuma ba Regional Child Protection Committee chairman bo ebotuma call DOFSU that is the police sorry ebotuma call Department of Social Welfare or even gender. Say feel there police now no here. You can go to all these agencies and departments. Now a betuma can yanso ye bosom near the appropriate quarters. Inti ye pon chop remember one year shehain because ye nina ye bomo from one husband. So ye think be Abufraba bi botum ashrenin point that life right to life no on to me.
Doctor, yeah, come from here's no from it. Now I feel go KB for Mukizibo. Into my phone here come on. What kind of age are you talking about?
Okay, according to the Children's Act, Abufraba from 0 to 18. It is any 18 that is below 18 na trade Abufraba. If people say you are 17 or 1 day to 18 you are still Abufraba until you turn 18.
Dr. Manson, you have to be there. Say, my right to education, my right to healthcare. Me, Abufraba, my phone customer. I will come to my for the man.
Ebotuma by the Department of Children, Ebotuma call the departments and agencies here, and then you come and speak to us, and then we also go and speak to your parents on how this can happen.
Mamma Faka Crancamo said, Abofraso so, Dama as he a woman yamon, so what school come, Wapo was in above our phone tea, said, a war imama, a Jew connection, now co catcher, come he has a chair, pinning be. I was awful, and now there, opinion the be or one for Timon, connection, and then Cassa. Ma me papa onye dem nti etu ma approach penini bia and as a department bia obobo ma be o there inyambo afiri enya because awofo no one right I there obi wo demand ma wo ma from
and also to add up say the right to education from so right always me can say yeah boma yeah the rights it always goes with responsibilities. Inti can right now before I don't there even with those rights and our responsibilities. Right to education, what is your responsibility as a child? Or you don't more homework or you do school authorities, or you do all activities with school or you do science, who books or you take good care of them. It is a penny all those rights now. Our Abu Fraba also responsibilities no there also extra don't but on too much shadow alone because I there penny no so etu mu Abu Fraba no nya those responsibilities.
But you know to move up from the responsibility. So my excellent shall be what's the right to protection from exploitation and abuse. No. Indeed, in our free 1992 and 98 Constitution child rights. Indeed, Mofrano or the more as what there, yes, there, ne bambo, wuzimu. Na abuse, ye can abuse her. Ayakaza, Aza, Oma, Mofrano, na human seven, Oma na hum can, Oma nini enche. Indeed, after you are Boshem, na ma penny on the say. Kakra do alon twel kakra na wa kema chero offer as no as aba bofra kakra na wa ya bofra ni bibi ebinu mpotum ko ye ko abuse ye wo sexual abuse ho nti behwe afra onye na che abofra no ni benti abofra na da no akoto ahye no penyin so onye abofra bi a waso wo ye service mpo bi a o under age or ana o born eduma kakra bi mu of akoni bidu wasese abofra can abuse ye wo verbal abuse or can some or ye yaw chira abofra no ti be hwa abofra de bia no wa akono ho e bia no opede on ka do obaka me nipem ni titru won na wait them no itu be cancel be chira won wa ya abofra no ye tete ones kasem nti dem abuse na ni man or ye on man no or ye awofo or ye all the stakeholders. Ye na says they share them of Framano, the more Kayakazi, the more atete, a young fan in Shawan. About Framas so be your demon, once over one day a report. Until two report na a penny na penny or penny for so you do me to your aid. Indeed, the right to protection, right? From abuses no. But we are paying for the day, young abuse one. No, but from us also obey your one answer. No, be so abuse one for contact and now to an amona paying liberty, institution liberty.
On that, no, we went to this school. Our father said, "The mammy said, oh, a virgin." Now, so we used to know a virgin or better phone. So the question is, Mammy, or better way would there a virgin? What's there every 2 weeks? The mammy more any day, or yet to them I should open, no other shannon. Next shannon, our mammy, as a rich woman, abuse a bunny sexually. I then now, Emma Fraba by no not at one side shannon save you. So you are abusing the child sexually into a lack of knowledge. Into na as a child protection committee, every corner na obiante. There, these things are not allowed. Onye the one kasa ubenti ebobu enu na ye. Say abofra how you used to that. Nature you start upgrading. One on a wire. I will na. And then many fully bedray, sorry. I had some of them, no bedray, some of them. When the responsibilities nina was ama mameno. Inti mami bia there is no benina kote na wa bre na otiti abofra be ni nyim. Na se nyim po na ekasa wo papa na ono se ono me kanka na anyim. Na ahuru ya nuti de o papa when him de ahuru ban bibi o bi o baba ni biabo o so do punishing ti transferred anger e bondo da aba abofra ba no do inti ye poncho awofo se e bia wan putin na hwe wo ba me poncho social welfare wo ho Doves wo Department of Children Gender wo Braga report na yentu yen trace abofra ni papa na wonya maintenance na wontu mo fan hwe abofra na men transfer anger in farm ma abofra fan to abofra no do me po woncho awofo me da.
Right, that you must sorry sister. It is here am something you should direct to the camera and to talk to the parents, we talk to the children, we talk to us as well as school. You are saying that you're quite proud. You share the participation of tomorrow for the BI to require Bruce and Northern Preparatory School. It's different from the other schools. It seems some of the public schools don't cherish, don't value when we are celebrating the children's day because the school at Abra, that's a Good Samaritan, in that the people that we are celebrating children. We love our kids, but public schools didn't say anything. So what are we doing as a director for the region? As a chairman for the region, you focus on about there. The men's and order you to everything in motion. Young Queen. Chairman, the camp was in the
you remember that's it. Yasha, you mentioned no, you're good. Year by year, we go to some schools. Yeah, famous. Ibiana Costa TV is one of this opportunity. In school, a practice, was there one from an show and Isaiah and the man when there as if be a ye says a mushima and mamma from a superman or Boama eating a shape of from a ye my in and arch papa. In the private schools, no, your mom wasn't there. Oh, drew the mom far beautiful for a show, mamma from another one because the child right now they have right to leisure or whatever from us who to move that royal has it into private schools near yes. Would draw formation for public schools. It is a share any problem that private schools no or other activities are also show. I feel also than China or our forces soon. You know that you can more from what did that either or start to she enjoy through her. Sometimes we between more from an AP, which money more from an alcohol, baby, a event in Libby. Now, from us who are experience, since what school are in park, how for near there. Bibi the book by a form of magic. I would be over the other from Lack or Nashi. Titi won't wait them, no actual abu, no the dear, Nina, yes, from her. Tea them and Dana. Yeah, was school. So school enter and come park. Department no, Joanna Mobra, never share them. I yes, Mobwa, and wife so a goodie, the more from a Danby. As some of my cameras say, Ako, there. Bible said there, young share, the Lucilla Masuki. Dear, what are they? Yanamo asked the young gentleman. About to answer the so, over permitting, I will read it from Psalm 122. Was it? May peace be within your walls and security within your citadel. For the sake of my family and friends. For the sake of my family and friends. Inti haya special for the sake of my children. For the sake of young man inti. Your number from man inti. Also, I will say peace be within you. Yamba, your number from inti. I will for you could see a someone. Amatui, Yamba, Asunji, Ambra. Now, I'm covered there. I'm from maybe 2 years, 5 years. What I'm having, we need baby man or Quackadampo. We need there where the next food is coming from. Inti, your number from inti. Yane the Hachinti, Yamasu Gimbra, Amatui.
Thank you, so for acting director, young person, Madam Ivy Beauty, Amate. Okay.
Okay, me that's a part for Coastal TV.
Right.
Now, me chairman, what can be on election. Inti Musum Rebecca beyond election, awofo yeshremon. Elections a day. Beyond the election, woma asumdie no onto yedo. Onto yedo wo yemfiefie. Yemba yenyuoni ntin komo. Yenyuonya nkitamuti. Bibi oho abufraba bia awo na ewo abufraba nti se bibi kakra shekle bomu de bibi rehon na se awankasa enyim wo ba ebede mu de bibi rehon na se obi ya abufraba ya kekeze awofo meshrehon momo mfanti na fie wo mayan report na se inde a report o china wo botum da ye wo ba second one wo botum da ye obi a oben wo awofo ye shrehon wo mayan report cases na mo frama no so bullying was schools. They are no shots in what they are paying for. Inti bullying was schools. Inti I schools ya on anti-bullying. Bullying was schools. No, they ever bro mabufraba ebe just among the children themselves. Yes, sure. When I was former we anyuamba moframa and the teachers. Woma yenyuamba moframa because ma what's in honor na what's in him. Major one I say.
Yeah, the Madam Sassi, I am acting director, child protection and child department, or Fifi Mantumaha. Messi, yes, and today, me do shall say, my family when day to me celebrated in 1954. That I can worry 70 years. So I penina to William Pa. So we have a lot of things doing. The moment I said, it's all be to be Yambuwa na a day on to Mungoda, our Sora school Sapro, na a community, we have community opinion leaders in Banyama working community, Uganda. Yama was in a few to me, Yambuwa, net day son, young to me, some more from ya, no, Kodaka can't cover by paying pa, therefore by professor doctors, nay nurses, nay, a money paying for Huya, into a mama from Mundachi, into me and say ya, not a one way, papa, into young bomb wasn't. Nefina into the na family. A bobo oil department in Honabado, there, ye do pepper, ye budi. I had it in the middle here, let me see.